Hello everyone, it's 15th November. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Hindu newspaper. In the first page we have NDA takes Bihar by storm. Again, very important for polity and governance perspective. Then we have central government notifies key parts of Digital Personal Data Protection Act. Again, very important for the science and tech perspective. Moving forward, we have trade fair kicked off amid tight security. RWA is asked to examine tenants' records. Then we have a week into SIR, Bengal CEO's office flooded with complaints. Again, very important news. Then we have silver lining of Congress in Rajasthan as party deals blow to BJP in Anta assembly by poll. Again, very important. Then we have Naidu aims for 50 lakh jobs, $500 billion investment in AP. Again, very important news. Moving forward, we have a massive explosion inside JNK police station leaves 8 injured. Again, very important for internal security perspective. Then we have security forces demolish house of Delhi car blast accused in Pulwama. Again, very important for internal security perspective. Then we have CJI to deal with claim that HC judge approach NC LAT member and on order. Again, very important. Then we have enumeration forms given to over 91% voters, says poll body. Again, very important for polity and governance perspective. Then we have Gujarat's Ambaji marble gets GI tag for its quality. Again, very important news. Then we have Birsa Munda birth anniversary. Prime Minister to address Gujarat event. Again, very important for society perspective. Moving forward, we have India-Canada cement ties on trade, critical minerals investment. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have Adani Group to invest 63,000 crore in Assam. Again, very important for economic perspective. Then we have the world page where we have Russia finds LGBTQ travel agent guilty of extremism after suicide. Then we have Pakistan arrest 4 from Afghan-based group over Islamabad bombing. Then we have US approves military sale worth $330 million to Taiwan. Again, very important. Then we have US to launch new military operation in Latin America. Then we have Iran seizes oil tanker in the Strait of Hormuz. All these news are very important for international relations perspective. And that is it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye-bye. Take care.